here we have our today's topic, human rights in international relations, with slides. Lecture outlines, introduction, the global human rights structure, universal declaration of human rights, the core assumption on which human rights are based, doing human advocacy, and of course, conclusion. Let's start from introduction. Human rights are fundamental rights and freedoms that belong to every person in the world from birth until death. They are based on principles of dignity, equality, and mutual respect, which are shared across cultures, religions, and philosophies. The global human rights structure. The global human rights structure is primarily built upon the framework established by the United Nations. The cornerstone of this structure is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights UDHR, adopted in 1948, which outlines basic rights and freedoms to which all humans are entitled. This framework is supported by various international treaties, conventions, and bodies, including international covenants, the International Conventions on Civil and Political Rights, and the International Covenants on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights from the International Bill of Human Rights, along with the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. United Nations Human Rights Council, an intergovernmental body responsible for responsible for promoting and protecting human rights globally. Treaty bodies, committees of interdependent experts that monitor the implementation of core international human rights treaties, special procedure, interdependent human rights experts who report and advise on human rights issues. Human rights are fundamental on several core assumptions. Universality. Human rights are universal and apply to all people, regardless of nationality, gender, ethnicity, or religion. Inalienability. Human rights cannot be taken away except in specific situations and according to due processes. Indivisibility. All human rights are indivisible, and interdependent. This means that civil and political rights cannot be fully enjoyed without economic, social, and cultural rights. Equality and non discrimination. Every individual is entitled to human rights without discrimination. Doing advocacy. Human right advocacy involves promoting and protecting human rights through various means, raising awareness, educating the public about human rights issues and violations, lobbying, influencing policymakers to enact or enforce laws that protect human rights, litigation, using legal systems to challenge human rights abuses and seek justice for victims, monitoring and reporting, documenting human rights violations and reporting them to relevant authorities or international bodies. Grassroots mobilization, engaging communities to take collective action in the defense of their rights. Lastly, we have conclusion. Understanding the global human rights structure and the core assumption on which human rights are based is crucial for effective advocacy. By raising awareness, lobbying, litigation, monitoring, and mobilizing communities, advocates can work towards a world where human rights are respected and protected for all. So this is all about the topic. I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions, you can drop in box. See you in the next video. Take care.